The best Samsung tablets in 2023, our top 3 recommendation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the best Samsung tablets in 2023. If you're in the market for a new tablet, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Samsung is known for producing top-tier Android tablets that excel in design, performance, and battery life. Their tablets also come packed with exclusive Samsung apps and technologies that take the Android tablet experience to the next level. With so many options available, it can be daunting to choose the right Samsung tablet for your needs. That's why we've done the hard work for you. We've thoroughly tested and reviewed all of Samsung's top tablets to bring you this comprehensive buying guide. Here are our top 3 recommendations. 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. The epitome of all-around excellence. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 represents the pinnacle of all-around excellence in the realm of Android tablets. Powered by a formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU, it delivers exceptional performance and responsiveness. Its immersive 11-inch 120Hz LCD display captivates users with its vibrant visuals and crisp details. With storage options of 128GB or 256GB and 8GB of RAM, the Galaxy Tab S8 offers ample space and power for all your needs. Its USB-C and microSD ports ensure convenient connectivity and expandable storage. This tablet boasts a bright and beautiful display that brings content to life, coupled with excellent battery life that ensures extended usage without interruptions. The Galaxy Tab S8 also surprises with its audio prowess, delivering great sound quality for an immersive entertainment experience. Additionally, its cameras perform surprisingly well, capturing stunning images and facilitating clear video calls. While the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra caters to those seeking the biggest and most powerful Android slate, the Galaxy Tab S8 offers a premium Android tablet experience that sets new standards in its category. It combines performance, design, and functionality in an impressive package. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 embodies all-around excellence. Its powerful performance, captivating display, excellent battery life, remarkable audio, and surprising camera capabilities make it an outstanding choice for users seeking the best Android tablet experience available. 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Unmatched affordability and impressive features. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 stands as the best Samsung tablet for budget-conscious consumers. With its enticing price point of under $300, it offers a remarkable alternative to pricier tablets, such as the iPad. Boasting thinner bezels than the 10.2-inch iPad, the Galaxy Tab A7 features a spacious 10.4-inch 2000 x 1200 pixel display that enhances your viewing and reading experiences. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Tab A7 is its exceptional battery life, lasting over 13 hours. This extended battery performance allows you to enjoy your favorite content for prolonged periods, without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the tablet incorporates facial recognition technology, providing convenient and secure unlocking of the device. The inclusion of USB-C charging further adds to the tablet's appeal. With this feature, you can utilize the same charging cable used for modern phones and laptops, ensuring convenience and ease of use. The Galaxy Tab A7 also delivers the genuine Android experience, complete with access to the Google Play App Store and a range of Google apps. This unrestricted access sets it apart from cheaper Amazon Fire Android tablets, which often limit users to web-only applications like Gmail and YouTube. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 embodies unmatched affordability combined with impressive features. Its approximate $300 price, along with excellent battery life, facial recognition, and USB-C charging, makes it a compelling choice for users on a budget. While improvements in screen brightness and performance could be desired, the Galaxy Tab A7 provides an authentic Android experience without compromising on value for money. 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The ultimate laptop replacement. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra emerges as the perfect choice for those seeking a laptop replacement. With its groundbreaking specifications and exceptional features, it sets a new benchmark for tablet performance. Featuring a massive 14.6-inch OLED display, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra outshines the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, delivering an immersive viewing experience with stunning visuals. This tablet offers an optional keyboard attachment and improved multi-window mode, transforming it into a versatile productivity tool that rivals traditional laptops. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra boasts a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, providing lightning-fast performance for demanding tasks. Its low-latency S Pen enhances precision and responsiveness, further boosting productivity. The tablet supports 45W fast charging, allowing you to minimize downtime and stay productive. Additionally, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra offers improved integration with Galaxy S series phones, enabling seamless file transfer and a cohesive user experience across devices. This integration enhances connectivity and simplifies workflow. Although priced at $1,099, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra justifies its premium cost by delivering an unrivaled combination of size, speed, and versatility. Whether you require a workstation on the go or a device for multimedia consumption, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's performance and functionality set new standards for tablets in the market. That wraps up our list of the top 3 Samsung tablets in 2023. Whether you're a power user, a budget-conscious buyer, or simply in need of a compact tablet, Samsung has a solution for you. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.